Hey, it's your boy Crypto Expat with another video. We're going to do just a quick update video and go over some news. It is December the 27th today, or 28th, depending where you are in the world. Guys, obviously you guys have been watching Bitcoin. If you're in this space, it went on an absolute tear today. 27,000 plus. I think it hit 28, but it just went on an absolute tear. It absolutely crazy. Look at the market cap, 500 billion, and we're getting like the market cap for total cryptocurrency is 732 billion at the moment. We saw all-time highs of 800 plus billion in 2017 in December, if you remember that. So we're not quite at the total market cap as total volume in cryptocurrency as we were back in the last bull run, but we're certainly getting close, okay? And the reason why Bitcoin is at this price is because there's BTC dominance. The last bull run in 2017, BTC dominance was only about 45%. That's why you're seeing a higher Bitcoin price. There's not as much crypto, like total crypto in the market, in the space. There's actually less. There's about 100 billion less. But because the majority of it, well, 68.5% is in Bitcoin, that's why they have this Bitcoin dominance. That is why we got a 27. So when you look at the grand scheme of things, 2017 is still a bigger bull run till today. So we've still got plenty of room to grow, okay? And it shows that BTC dominance, people trust Bitcoin more. Maybe it's the institutional investors. They seem to be, if they're going to invest money, Grayscales, the MicroStrategies, Squares, all those companies with big money coming in, dropping 50, 100, couple of 100 million at a time. If they're going to come into crypto, they always go with Bitcoin. And that's why I think we're seeing this Bitcoin dominance at 68% because of those bigger companies coming in. So good things for, it's been an amazing day really. Let's see there. No, we didn't quite. Yeah, we did hit 28.3. I thought we did, which was just crazy. I mean, we were only at what, 25. Let's just look at 7 days ago. I swear that we were only at 20, 22. If we go further out, 14 days. Yeah, we're only sort of 2 weeks ago we were at 19,000, and now we're at 28. Well, we went to 28 today, which is crazy. So as you guys know, I'm not a trader. I'm a hodler. I buy my Bitcoin, accumulate it, dollar cost average, buy it when it dips. That's what I do. Ethereum is up, went to 700 today, and I'll explain a little bit more at the end why people are cashing in on this. Okay, so it shot up like in the last couple of hours. It shot up to over 700. And then we've got our usual suspects. Don't sleep on Litecoin, guys. Look, Litecoin's up 10% in the last 7 days. BNB crossed the $30. Chainlink, if this drops to under $10 or $9, I'll probably buy some. Yeah, this is oversold. This is way overrated. And then you just scroll down. Again, obviously you guys know Celsius Network, one of my biggest plays. Do like it a lot. Up 42% today. Even THETA Network is up like 59% for the day. Crypto.com, looks like everyone's selling the Crypto.com. Look at that, it's 5.7 cents. And as we work our way down, ZIL absolutely on a tear today, 67.1%, and Don't forget too as well, guys, if you're staking your Zilliqa, you're also getting your GZIL, and you can be able to cash in on that GZIL. Okay, one GZIL is 1108 Zilliqa, so I've done several videos on this as well. Do not sell your GZIL, just hodl it, okay? Because it's going to be worth a lot of money next year, so keep hodling your GZIL. You're earning your Zilliqa and your GZIL at the same time, okay? But just keep on staking. Obviously, the rewards will, the APY will drop as more people buy in, but that's just normal, okay? And then we can scroll down. I want to say though, these Y-earn finance and these DeFi plays with yield farming. I'm not a big fan. Even these rebase ones, I'm not a big fan of these projects because they the yield farming is, first of all, it's very risky when you're yield farming, and I think it's just a smaller part of the DeFi space, and it's really risky. So you're seeing all these rebase ones launching, and these YF clones. We saw those launch like crazy, and it seems like there's always a new DeFi play with yield farming. And it's just getting repetitive and annoying, and none of these actual projects, if you look at the grand scheme of things, like are they in the top like 100? Very rare. It's because they're pretty much doing the same thing. They're not innovating, and you'll find that these top projects in the space, they're always ones with either have their own blockchain or have some major infrastructure project, and they're just good long-term solid plays. I'd rather put my money in those than some DeFi project that has great yield farming at this point in time, which will just wither away and the project will just die. In my opinion, if it's some sort of yield farming, and that's the primary use case for the project, it's gonna slowly die off. So I'm not a big fan of these yield farming projects. I'd rather just go for the solid infrastructure projects, and not waste as much time as these yield farming projects. But that's just my opinion. Obviously, everyone's different. Let me know your comments below. So the US Congress passes $900 billion COVID-19 aid after months of gridlock. All right. So after months of Washington gridlock, Congress passed $900 billion pandemic relief, finally delivered long-sought cash to businesses and individuals, as well as resources to vaccinate a nation confronting a frightened surge of COVID-19 cases and deaths. So this is sort of like, I didn't know this was actually happened already. The relief package agreed on Sunday and finally released in the bill form on Monday afternoon would establish a temporary $300 a week supplementary jobless benefit and $600 direct stimulus payment to most Americans. So, is this why Bitcoin is pumping, or Bitcoin is about to pump, or even more? Could this go to I'm hearing Bitcoin go to 40K. I don't know. But anyway, there's a whole bunch of money about to be printed, and we'll see. Okay, guys, if you're not sure, the PAX Gold, or PAXG, is basically a digital ERC20 token, and it's redeemable for gold. So it's like tokenized gold, and I think it's a great idea because you can redeem it for gold, for real gold, and Instead of holding gold, you can just hold PAX Gold and don't have to worry about all the limitations of physical gold, having to protect it, having to secure it, either at home or in secure vaults. It really is a pain in the ass. A digital token backed by physical gold. Redeemable. PAX Gold is the only gold token that you can redeem for LBMA accredited good delivery gold bullion bars. For additional convenience, small amounts can be redeemed through a network of physical gold retailers in the US, Canada. Institutional customers can also redeem for allocated loco London gold. Paxos customers can also redeem for USD at current gold prices. So there you go. If you're into gold and you don't really want to have the headaches of securing it, keeping it safe from bad actors, just buy some PAX Gold. Wander on down to one of the secure locations and you can exchange it for real gold in real time. As simple as that. The gold price today is 1,866. So there you go. Look, I just wanted to touch on this video that I made. I've got a lot of comments. I do appreciate everyone commenting on this video. And basically I said that I'm not a fanboy of THETA. However, I still hold a little bit of THETA. And I basically said in this video that I thought the project is a great project. However, the reason why I don't hold much in it is because I have other plays, other altcoin plays that just frankly do way better than THETA. So here's one of them, THETA versus CEL. If we look at the price of THETA on January the 1st, 2020, scroll down here, we go to 1 year. So January the 1st, it was 8.7 cents, and today it's $1.43. So dollar got here $1.40, $1.43, pretty close. That is a 1,600% increase. Now let's look at CEL. On the 1st of January, CEL was 13 cents. And what's it today? $4.20. $4.20. And now if we look at the increase, it's around about 3,200%, give or take, 2,200, 2,100%. Compared to THETA is only 1,600%, basically double. So that was my point of the video. It wasn't to say that THETA was a bad project. It was to say that, yes, it's a good project, but I have way better picks than THETA that make me more money. So why would I put more money into THETA when I can put it into other projects which will make me more money? Speaking of CEL, it is now, it actually was behind THETA, but now it's overtaken. It's 1.6 billion. THETA is number 22 at 1.4. Both very close, but Celsius Network will get in the top 10. Okay? Just watch it. Okay, just watch it. It's going to get in the top 10. It's already at 20. It's going to get in the top 10. So it's going to go on a tear this year. Absolute tear. Sorry, next year, I mean. Well, in about 3 days it'll be next year, so happy days. Okay, 1INCH, which just released their governance token. It's $1.29. And if you use their exchange, you would have got a little bit of a kickback, a little bit like what we saw for Uniswap. DeFi Trader scores 20 million in 1INCH token Christmas airdrop. A total of 55,200 addresses are eligible to claim the free 1INCH tokens, with more than half of the coins already claimed according to Dune. The average token sum across these addresses was about 1,629 tokens. qualified addresses assured of at least 600 tokens. So if we go to 1inch, and we type in there, basically they got around about a $2,000 check. Very similar to Uniswap, okay? Very similar to Uniswap. Now, if you want to check if you've got the airdrop, it actually tells you here you need to complete one transaction before September the 15th or for at least $20 before the December the 29th to be eligible. But all you need to do if you're just not sure whether you use this or not is just come up here, connect up your wallet, and then see this where it's got this little logo of the horse. Click on that, and then this will appear, and then you go here and you go check. Okay, so this wallet is not claimable. I didn't get any tokens. So I didn't get any tokens because I actually did use this, but I went through one of the transactions and then I cancelled it. So if you haven't used 1inch before, it's basically an aggregator. It just makes it easier to get in and out of different pairs, and they kind of aggregate all the, they kind of squash the transactions together and make it easier for you to get from different pairs across different pairings. It's very similar to Uniswap, but just easier to use and less gas they claim. So it is a good exchange. So, but I unfortunately I didn't complete that full number of transactions, so I wasn't eligible. But you can check by simply just doing that, what I just showed you. So it looks like crypto mining hardware is back in 2021. Okay, so this basically talks a little bit about hardware, the ASICs and the GPU mining, motherboards and all that sort of stuff. So that's a good thing, because we did a lot of mining in 2017, and then when Bitcoin dropped off, it was no longer profitable. But these companies are still buying up a huge amount of these machines. This Riot blockchain purchased 15,000 variations of the Antminer series S19 Pro, S19, and T19. So with the big price of Bitcoin going up to where it is now, it's become profitable again. But if we look at ASIC mining machines at asicminervalue.com, all of these are now profitable again because of the price of Bitcoin going up. They're basically like these Bitcoin miners, and they're now like basically double the price because of Bitcoin is. So the higher that Bitcoin goes, these ant miners that were pretty much redundant, well, they weren't making much money, they're now all of a sudden really profitable. But if we look at the most profitable 1, 2, and 3, and 5 are all basically, they're all Ethereum miners. So the ASIC machines mining Ethereum and various other coins on the Equihash algorithm. And if we look at this one here, this ISO Silicon A10 Pro, it's making around about $44 a day after gas. And this is the different coins you can mine. Ethereum Classic, Music Coin, Ubiq, and all these other ones I've never heard of. But so it is becoming profitable again, and the reason why it's becoming profitable is because people like us are using Ethereum. Ethereum hit $700, all right, today. But look at the gas prices of Ethereum, 200. People are paying this because they're quite happy to pay it. Doing their trading on Uniswap and and anything else that uses Ethereum. Probably flipping in and out of Ethereum from Bitcoin to Ethereum. So there's a lot of volume happening now, because look at this is abnormally high, and this is making these miners that run these machines very profitable, and it's going to continue to be profitable for Ethereum miners as well as Bitcoin miners, and all these basically everything's up because of Bitcoin's up, and Ethereum is up, and all the gas prices are up. So if you're a miner, yeah, good for you, you're making money. Alright guys, so a lot happening in the crypto space. Let me know your thoughts. What coins are you into? Are you mining? Have you got CEL token? Have you got Zilliqa? Have you got THETA? What are you holding? What are your picks for 2021? Leave us a comment below. Again, I appreciate all comments, and I'll read every single one of them, and I try to respond to every single one of them. So thanks for watching, really appreciate it, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification, and I'll see you in the next video, guys.
Are you new to crypto and DeFi? You're not sure how to navigate through the scams and keep away from the sharks trying to steal your crypto? This space can be very daunting for newbies. That's why we created 100xcryptoacademy.com. This is not just a course on DeFi, yield farming, and investing, but a real community of like-minded crypto enthusiasts who believe crypto is the key to financial freedom. You'll get 50+ HD on-demand videos, ongoing research analysis and pre-screened, ICO and pre-sales, 4 weekly webinars per month, with live Q&A, private access to our exclusive forum, and our vibrant Telegram group for live chat and updates. All for a low monthly investment. Check out our Patreon at 100xcryptoacademy.com.